Candlestick is used to decode a crypto market. Ever seen those colorful bars on a crypto chart and wondered what it really means? Those are called candlesticks, and they actually hold the secret to understand the crypto market movement. In doubt? Let's dive in.
Let's go!
In the world of crypto, candlestick is not something that you light around. It's a powerful tool that traders use to analyze the market movement. Candlestick tells a story about what really happened to an asset price within a specific time frame, whether it's a minute, an hour, or even a day, sometimes even weeks or months. Each candlestick represents 4 key data points: the open, the close, the high, and the low prices of a crypto asset within that period. The bottom of the candle shows the range between open and the close prices, while the wicks or the shadows represent the highest and the lowest prices reached. Let's actually break it down. Green candle. If the candle is green, it means the closing price was higher than the opening price. Now let's look at the red candle. A red candle actually means the opposite. It means the closing price was actually lower than the opening price, indicating the price actually went down during that period. The length of the candle's body and its wick can also tell about the market momentum. A long body means strong price movement, while long wicks actually suggest there was a battle between buyers and sellers. Because in crypto, the buyers want to buy at the lowest price possible and the sellers want to sell at the highest price possible. Does that make sense? Pre-market, right? So you see, candlestick is not just about colors. They actually can perform patterns that traders use to predict the future price movement. For example, a doji candle. I didn't say doggy, I said doji. Where the opening and the closing prices are almost the same, it suggests market indecision or a potential sign of a reversal. Now let's look at the hammer pattern. With a strong body and a long lower wick, it can signal a bullish reversal after a downtrend. So you see, mastering candlestick chart can give you a significant edge in your trading journey. Do you use candlestick in your trading strategy? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Want to know more about candlesticks? Visit the Binance Academy website. There are a lot of articles and resources to make you a pro crypto fortune teller. I mean, an expert when it comes to reading the chart and understanding the crypto patterns or the signals that helps in carving an informed trading strategy or decision. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you follow and subscribe. Until next time, my name is Manuel. See you in the next video. Bye.